What's up YouTube, it's your buddy MadFox13. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing and a review video of, today we've received in the mail from Venom motorcycle accessories. I ordered me a motorcycle wheel choke, and I will say and stuff, I'm kind of disappointed and stuff how the package looks, because for instance and stuff, I got FedEx is the one that delivered this, and every time FedEx delivers something to my place, it's always something. Well, I mean, tape's tore off right there. There's only one tape right there. It's holding this side and that side, at least the sides. But you know what? Let's get this open so I can make sure there's nothing broken in there whatsoever, because and I gotta like your buddy Mad Fox is always getting good deals. Well, okay, well, that, and you know what? We can, well, nah, we're not going to need the box, but we're going to keep it off to the side. And please say they give us some instructions. And yeah, we gotta use the knife again just to open everything up. Aw, they even give me a little deal for my keychain. Well, I may keep that. Let's see, please say this is some instructions. And no, it's not instructions. Hopefully this thing's got some instructions how to put it together, because if not, then I'm just gonna have to try to guess how to get this thing together. Well, we're going to try to put this together. Hopefully it'll be easy and not difficult. Well, we'll be right back. We're gonna get all this stuff undone and we're gonna put this all together. Okay, I had to go and look back onto, where I purchased this on the Walmart app. I had to go back, look at the picture and stuff, because evidently they didn't put no instructions in this thing, but luckily and stuff, whenever they take a picture of the product it'll actually show you where everything goes. These right here, you don't have to worry about them. Those are for whenever, if you decide and stuff to actually take, you know, drill holes actually into your concrete, and, you know, you're going to stick these down into this right here, which, you know, I ain't drilling no holes in my garage concrete floor, so that's off the table. I mean, one day I may or I may not, but I ain't going to be doing that right now. But okay, first things first. If you get this this one right here, even if you buy it off of Walmart.com, which that's where I got mine at, or you can purchase the same exact one at you can purchase it on Amazon. What you want to make sure is the where you go to put this end at, you want it to where these two holes are on this side. So put that right there onto there. These holes right here are for where the back of your front tire is gonna go. So let's get started with, just get one side at a time first. Put the washer on there, put that on there. Man, everything's always wanting to fall. Trying not to have my GoPros. So hopefully, if this video cut it out or anything like that, I apologize. Evidently, my GoPro remote and stuff, my GoPro's wanting to just act weird a little bit today, but it's because I accidentally messed with my GoPro. Okay, let's see. Actually, you know what? Let's just get there first. Nope. Okay, let's see. I hate whenever metal wants to make that little dinging noise every single time. It's like a ring in your ear. Okay. The little pin needle. It's there. So. Everything's always wanting to be difficult, doesn't it? Well, better yet, let's see. Put that onto there. There. When things want to be difficult, just try another way. No. Uh-oh, forgot to put a washer on that. Folks, trust me, it's aggravating stuff whenever that things are always got to fall, but oh well. And, well, now that you see where all the bolts and everything goes. If you're putting this thing together, watching this video, then you should know and stuff to start tightening the bolts. And you know what? We're gonna go and start tightening these bolts, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got all the bolts and nuts all tightened, and you know, we got everything all set up. So now let's go and actually, you know, line this up just right. Okay, it seems to, you know, like it's holding it up, but one thing I just don't like is that, you know, the front of my bike, it's definitely, see, even though something says that it's the same size as your tire, never believe it. But, you know, I'm not going to complain about this thing because, you know, I mean, I really didn't have to be out no money for it. I got it, well, technically, I kind of got it for free, which I used free e-gift cards just to purchase it, so... So technically, I mean, like I said, I'm not going to complain about it. I mean, let's see if... You know, it seems to me that, you know, it tries to stay still, but it's like this part right here and this part right here is, you know, not, it's way too wide. But, you know, like I said, I'm not going to complain because, you know, I didn't have to be out no money for it, which, you know, I can always rig something up, get some longer bolts, and, you know, put something to where it'll fast stop right here and I won't have to worry. Or I could even just bend this over a little bit, or even take a, you know, a little bit of rubber like this right here and put it between there. But like I said, I'm not going to complain because, you know, technically I kind of got it for free. I didn't have to be out no money. All I had to do was just use a couple of apps to get free e-gift cards, which, you know, I am going to make a video of that, how I actually get free e-gift cards, not only for Walmart, but for Amazon too. You know, even the other stands and stuff, I mean, other YouTube videos I've seen, you know, just no matter what, always keep your kickstand down, so just in case. I mean, definitely. I mean, like I said, it's just something that I'm gonna have to work on. And you know, I mean, I like actually taking things that other people make and trying to fix them and show them what the defaults are, which, like I said, the default in this, you know, it seems like this is for a much actual, you know, whenever I looked online, whenever I looked, I pulled up what the size of my front tire is and everything, and even, you know, for these parts right here, it says that it's supposed to be for my size tire, but evidently it must not be. But like I said, would I recommend this? You know, would I give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I give it a maybe, a 50-50. I mean, it's a 50-50 deal. I mean, if you purchase this, you're going to have to do some alterations. You're going to have to rig it up and stuff somehow. And I mean, none of these things are going to be perfect, which, like I said and stuff, I mean, if you do the way like how I got this one, you're going to get it for free. If you go and, you know, you get the Walmart e-gift cards or even Amazon e-gift cards. I mean, that's how I've been getting a bunch of my parts from my motorcycle. But like I said, I'm gonna be making another video and stuff what I am gonna do with this to make it to where it will stand up instead of, so it'll actually never move. But until next time, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever your buddy Mad Fox 13 uploads a video, you'll be one of the first ones to know and stuff whenever I upload a video. And as always, like some of these products that mess up and everything that you're gonna have to work on and that you're gonna have to rig, let's just say, like your buddy always says, sayonara.